on today to show some great techniques that's been working for Georgia. I mean, they've been really hot in producing. And first technique I'm going to show is the +1+3 technique. And the date I'm using is March 5th and in Georgia. So the number that came out in Georgia March 5th was 625. 625. So I'm going to put the 625 in the grid. And this is what we're going to do today. It's going to be +1+3. Okay, 6 + 1 is 7. 2 + 1 is 3. 5 + 1 is 6. 6 + 3 is 9. 2 + 3 is 5. And 5 + 3 is 8. And then I'm going to put the flip numbers over here in the translated grid. So the flip of 6 is 9. The flip of 7 is 0. The flip of 9 is 2. The flip of 2 is 5. The flip of 3 is 6. The flip of 5 is 8. Flip of 5 is 8. The flip of 6 is 9. And the flip of 8 is 1. So, these results came very quick after I did this grid in Georgia. On the 5th, you got that 560 came. And that's the same day I did the grid. The 560 came. You got the 560. See, they can be a hit. If the numbers touch and the boxes touch, they're a hit. Okay, and then the next day, on the 6th, the 169 came out. And 169, that was a straight one in that grid. Then, and that night in the evening, the 763 came. 763. And that was over here. Then at night on March the 6th, the 655 came out. The 655, 565. And then on the 7th, that 086 came in the midday. Now this, the very next day, the 086 came. 068. And then on the 7th and at night, the 692 came out. So this grid really produced a lot of hits. Altogether, it produced 7 hits. It really hit more, but I just took the 7 that came out. So that 692 came on the 7th at night. There it is, the 692. And then on the 8th, the 395 came out. 35. So altogether, I got like 7 hits off of this one grid. So this is really hot for Georgia. So I would recommend doing this +1+3, then flipping the numbers, because that's a good technique. One more grid I wanted to show you guys that's working very well in Georgia. Okay, I had did one yesterday. This grid, the number yesterday in Georgia was 799, so I put 799 in the grid like so at the bottom. And on this technique, you put the number in the bottom and you count upward. Okay, so I start 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the number last night in Georgia or the evening? The number was 799. And then I noticed this morning that 295 came out. So that was very fast. So along with the other grid I showed you, this one was a very good technique too. So I'll show you again how I did it. I placed a 799 in the bottom of the grid and I counted upward. And you never carry the ones place in lottery. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you can get numbers tic-tac-toe, straight, however you want to do it. But this morning, that 295 came smooth out. So that's another very good technique for Georgia. And I said I was going to do the reveal the next quad and trip that I think is coming to Georgia. And I think the threes is coming to Georgia, y'all. So y'all stay on them threes and them zeros. Okay. Have a great day and a better tomorrow.